Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows pin error code 0x80040154 in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab and then select the checkbox associated with Hide all Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable all, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Last solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then click on MRT. OK. This will open the malware scan tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it go through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.